Hello everyone, my name is Dulcinea Dumont and I wanted to introduce you to a full Indian dish that I prepared for my family today. This is dal and it's made with spices like turmeric, coriander, and red chili. These spices are really amazing at bringing down inflammation in the body, helping your health to be at its best. We also have cauliflower sabji, which is a variety of vegetables like cauliflower, potatoes, and tomatoes with the same spices that I mentioned. And this is something that you can create and recreate with different vegetables. Amazing, easy to do, and yeah, I love it. And this is paratha. This is an Indian flatbread, which I'll be showing you how to make. Something that's really fresh and delicious, and all this food you can eat with your hands, which really touches on the other senses that you have while you're eating, so it's really awesome and fun to try. So just wanted to introduce you to the Indian lifestyle, bringing you spices and vegetarian cooking. I hope you followed my blog, like and share it, subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Namaste.